Welcome to the era of digital products, where YouTube videos reign as one of the most valuable digital assets. Imagine creating a single video that keeps generating income even while you sleep.
And here's the best part, you don't need extensive video editing skills. In this AI video editing tutorial, I'll show you how to create videos using an AI video editor with just a simple text command. I will also guide you on how to choose a niche and keywords using AI tools. So let's dive in and start turning your ideas into money-making YouTube videos.
1. Choosing a niche. When starting a new YouTube channel, you should focus on a single niche to make it easier to get YouTube recommendations. However, before choosing your channel's niche, make sure you love and enjoy creating videos in that niche. Not only that, but also ensure that your chosen niche has a high CPM. Now, let's ask Google Bard AI to analyze the highest YouTube CPM niches. Open a Google Bard account, or you can also use Microsoft Bing Chat to perform this task. Let's ask Google Bard AI to list the top 10 highest YouTube CPMs in 2023. You can choose the niche that is most suitable for you. In this example, I will choose the investment niche and its sub-niche, cryptocurrency. 2. Keyword research. To choose the best keywords for our video, we can't rely on chatbots like chatgpt because their data is not up to date. Instead, we will use AI tools for YouTube SEO. You can use vidIQ or TubeBuddy for this purpose, but in this example, I will use vidIQ. If you don't have a vidIQ account, you can register using link in the video description. Open your vidIQ dashboard and go to the keyword page. In this example, I will use the crypto keyword. Since the competition for this keyword is high, I will choose related keywords with lower competition scores. Click on the Related Keywords menu and sort the keywords by search volume. Choose a high-volume keyword with a very low competition score. In this example, I will use the XRP keyword. 3. Content ideas. If you don't have any content ideas from the keyword, let's use the AI Coach feature on vidIQ. Go to the AI Coach menu and select the basic mode. Type manually or click, "Give me 5 ideas about," and add your keyword. Select the best idea, or if you're not satisfied with the results, you can regenerate new ideas until you find the best one. 4. Choosing a video editor. In this video, I will use invideo as the AI video editor because of its reputation as the most widely used and popular choice among users. invideo is a super easy to use yet powerful video editor that allows for full control and complete customization. It provides access to over 6,000 video templates and graphic assets. With a paid invideo plan, we can freely use premium stock footage from Shutterstock, iStock, and Storyblocks. And if we run into any issues, their 24/7 live chat is always ready to help us out swiftly. 5. invideo registration. To start using the invideo video editor, you need to create an invideo account. To sign up, use the link in the description. You can use the code AITools25 for a 25% discount. To start the registration process, click the Sign Up button and you can use your Gmail, Facebook, or email account. 6. Creating a channel intro. To create your channel intro video, make sure you already have your channel logo. If you don't have a channel logo, you can create one using Midjourney or a free Bing image generator. Now, log into your invideo account, click the plus button under the Type menu and select the intro option. Choose your desired intro video template. Select the video orientation and click the Use Template button. Click the Upload Media menu and select your channel logo. Drag and drop your logo onto the designer's screen and make changes to the text, font, size, and music if needed. You can preview your video by clicking the play button. Once everything is set, click the Export button and select Full HD resolution. 7. Text to video. To create a video using invideo, you can start with their pre-made templates. However, in this video, we will use the text-to-video AI feature. Click on the AI text-to-video menu, select the desired template, select the video orientation, and click the Use Template button to start. Now, go back to the AI Coach, copy your content idea, click the Ask AI to write your script button, and paste your content idea. Click the Generate button to start generating an AI script for your video. If you're not satisfied with the result, click the Generate button again to start a new script generation process. Once you have found the best video script, activate the Premium and iStock options and click Create Scenes to generate your AI video. After the generation process is complete, you can preview each scene by pressing the play button. You can directly edit your script and text position if needed. If you're satisfied with the result, click the Download button to download your AI-generated video. If you're not satisfied, let's make some changes to our AI-generated video. 8. Adding videos and images. If you're not satisfied with some parts, you can modify the video using your own footage or premium stock videos. To do this, click on the Videos menu, type in your keyword, and press Enter. Select the video you want, drag and drop it onto the scene, then click the Add button. You can preview the changes by clicking the Play button. If you want to change the scene background with an image, click on the Images menu, type the image keyword, and press Enter. Select the desired image, drag and drop it onto the scene, and resize if needed. Click the Play button to preview the changes. 9. Adding music. To change the video's music, click on the Music menu, select moods or genres, and choose the best music that matches your video content. Click the plus button to add the music to our video. 10. Adding a logo. You can add your channel logo to your video as a watermark. To do that, click on the Logo menu, double-click on your image, and you can change the image size if needed. 11. AI Voiceover. To add VoiceOver to your video, click the VoiceOver button at the bottom of the editor area. You can record your own voice directly, upload your VoiceOver file, or choose automated text-to-speech to create an AI-generated voiceover. Select the voice type, VoiceOver language, and AI voice actor. Click the Play Preview button to listen to the selected AI voice.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into understanding XRP.
If you're satisfied with the voice style, select the Add Automated Voiceover for All Scenes option and click Add button to start generating the AI voiceover for the entire video. Once the generation process is done, click the Play button to listen to your AI voiceover.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into understanding.
If the music sounds too loud, you can lower the volume from the layer panel. Click on the music layer, click the volume and fade button, and set the music volume. You can also trim or turn on the loop music option.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into understanding XRP. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency,
After everything is set, click the Export button and select Full HD format to download your final video. Here is the video result from this tutorial.
welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into understanding XRP. Whether you're new to cryptocurrencies or just curious about Ripple's digital asset, this guide is for you. XRP is the native cryptocurrency of the Ripple network, a digital payment protocol that aims to revolutionize global money transfers. One of the key features of XRP is its speed. Transactions can be settled within seconds, making it a great option for international transfers. Unlike Bitcoin, XRP is not mined, but rather exists through a process called consensus, making it more energy efficient. XRP also has a finite supply of 100 billion coins, with a significant portion already in circulation. Ripple Labs, the company behind XRP, holds a majority of the coins and periodically releases them into the market.
You can learn more about invideo on their official YouTube channel. You can find the link in the video description. Great news for invideo Premium users. You will be the first to access the upcoming new generation of invideo AI video generator. With this cutting-edge tool, you can prompt and transform it into a ready-to-publish video, complete with a human-sounding voiceover and subtitles. Sign up now at invideo.io to join the waitlist.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share to support me. See you in the next artificial intelligence tutorial video.
Bye!